This lesson is about installing a widget. I'm on my second home screen. I've already installed this weather widget, and now I want to install a second widget on this screen. So I'm going to press and hold in a blank area of the screen, and now in the upper left corner I see an edit button. I'm going to tap on the edit button, and I get a menu, and one of the menu items is Add Widget. So I will tap Add Widget, and now I see the widgets available to me. At the top of the list I see thumbnails of widgets. If I scroll down, I'll eventually get to a directory of all the widgets that are available to me. But I'm going to stick with the thumbnails. And here's a Google search widget, so I'm going to tap on it. And now I can see the various versions of this widget. So there's a small square widget, and if I swipe left I can see a rectangular widget. Sometimes there's also a large square version, but for this widget I don't have a large square version. So I'm going to swipe back to the right. I want to use the small square. Now I'm going to tap Add Widget, and it will be installed at the very top of the screen. If I don't want it at the top of the screen, I can tap, hold, and drag to bring it down below the weather widget. And now to actually install it, I'm going to press and hold in a blank area. And now the widget stops wiggling and that little minus sign disappears. So now I've installed the Google search widget.